Welcome to the fourth tutorial in my beginners series on Oculus Quest 2 development. This is going to be a rather quick tutorial in which we install one last supporting application before diving into the Unity game engine itself. We are going to download and install the Oculus App for PC. This app will allow you to play PC-based VR games, for which you would have conventionally used a tethered Oculus Rift headset. However, with your Quest attached to your computer via a USB cable, you can now open the Oculus App for PC and play any of these games using your Quest. We are interested in installing this application, however, primarily for its usefulness during development with the Unity game engine. How is it useful? Let me briefly explain. Once you start developing in Unity, you will find a feature called Play Mode extremely helpful. Play Mode essentially allows you to quickly run your project directly inside the editor, simply by hitting a play button in the toolbar. Play Mode is almost instantaneous, no need to wait for any lengthy compile and build processes to complete. This speeds up the development cycle immensely, as you can get everything looking good and working correctly in the editor, before you make a build specifically for your target platform. Unity, however, cannot natively connect to your Quest headset when you trigger Play Mode, and it's for this reason that we need to have the Oculus App for PC installed, as Unity will then use the Oculus App during Play Mode to link to your Quest and then allow you to preview your project directly in the headset. Unity will be able to transmit graphics and audio to your Quest, while simultaneously receiving input from your headset and controllers. Okay, with that out the way, let's go and download the app. In your web browser, navigate to oculus.com/setup. Scroll down to the Quest 2 section and click on the Download Quest 2 PC App button. Save the Oculus setup file to disk. Once it has downloaded, go to the Downloads folder and double-click on the Oculus setup.exe. The Oculus App Installer will launch. Follow the instructions. Just a quick warning. There have been a couple of occasions when I have tried to install the app and it has got stuck at the end of the downloading process. If this happens, simply close the installer and then restart it. It should now go through the installation procedure without a hitch. Once the Oculus app has been installed, click Next. The app will open and prompt you to sign in. Do so with either your Facebook or Oculus account. You may be prompted to complete a few profile settings. Eventually, you should be asked to select your headset. We want to select Quest 2, obviously. You will then be asked to select a connection method. Choose the link cable option. Finally, you will be prompted to connect your headset to your PC via a suitable USB cable. So turn on your Quest and connect it. A green tick icon should appear once the app has established a solid connection with your headset. Click the Continue button until you see a message saying Oculus Link setup complete. Click the Close button. You should now find yourself in the home section of the Oculus app. Incidentally, there is another way to link an Oculus headset with this app. Simply click on Devices in the left side menu. In the Devices section, you will see a list of currently linked headsets. To add a new headset, simply scroll to the bottom of the list and click on the Add Headset button. Okay, there is one more thing we need to do in this app. We need to change a setting to allow unknown sources. To do this, click on Settings in the left side menu. In Settings, select General from the top menu bar. Now turn on the switch next to Unknown Sources. While we are in General Settings, you may also want to take a look at the app's library locations. VR applications can be quite large, so you may want to ensure that they will be saved in a location with plenty of free space. Okay, we are now finished with the desktop app. Let's now see what happens when we link to this app from the headset. Put on your Quest. You may see a dialog box prompting you to enable Oculus Link. If so, select Enable. You can also launch Oculus Link from the main menu bar. Select Quick Settings, which is the leftmost button on the menu bar. The settings panel will appear. Select the Oculus Link button. Once Oculus Link has loaded, you will see that the dashboard looks quite different. Your headset is now linked and receiving its content from the Oculus app on your PC. Okay, so that's about it for this tutorial. I think we're about ready to dive into the Unity game engine. We will do this in the next tutorial, a link to which you will find in the description below.